How to open PDF in Evernote. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Evernote. Once you do that, click on the Create New option at the bottom. After that, click on Attach. Select the PDF file that you want to open. Once you do that, you'll get to a page that looks like this. Click on the PDF file. From the list that just appeared at the center of the screen, click on the three dots at the right. After that, click on Open PDF. As soon as you do that, the PDF file will be opened. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to open PDF file in Evernote. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.